Once again.
Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make a human hair deep wave for you, and you need a closure, and this is a 14-inch closure, and I'm gonna use 3 packs of 16 inches, and the company's name is, I got them from AliExpress. You need some small teeth comb just to sew on the wig cap so they can hold your unit in place and it won't fall off or breeze won't blow it away, guys. You need a needle, straight or curved, and you need some thread. And when I take my closure from the package, it's so beautiful. Look how soft and nice it is. Very nice. And it's already pre-plucked. Put the closure close as possible to the center of the cap, and you want to pin it in place. Now we're gonna sew right around. I'm gonna go right around. And guys, shout out time. So everyone check out Sister D Kite. She's an awesome person and she's my YouTube friend, and she has her channel, so please check her out. And now we're gonna start the 16-inch bundles. When I start the first few rows, I won't cut the hair because it shed a lot when you cut it. I'm gonna start it from right here to about here, and then I'm gonna lap it. So you want to make sure you secure the ends just like that. And now you're just gonna continue to sew. And all you have to do, guys, just turn it right around, and then you want to pin this part like so, and you're going to continue to sew it. When you reach the end, you want to wrap it twice, double knot, so it stays in place just like that. And guys, you're going to continue back and forth, back and forth. When I reach up at the top, I'll come right back. This is where I'm at. I'm on the last row of the first bundle, and you want to continue the same process. Stick it in the middle and one at the side. And when you're going closer to the top, you're gonna go close as possible to the edge, right about there. when this little part is left, if possible, do not cut it. You're gonna bend it and then you're gonna sew it. And this is the second bundle, and I'm gonna continue from where I left off, right around, back and forth. When I reach closer towards the front, I'm gonna start cut my bundle because I want right here to lay flat. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. When you reach closer towards the front, you want to start cut it so it can lay flat. And then you want to make some knots. Knot it a few times and go around, and one more, and that's good. And there you have it. I'm going to start the third pack, and what I'll do, I'm going to start from about here to the same side, and then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to show you how to sew it in so it doesn't look different from when you're doing it straight. You want to start right on top of the previous row. And when you're closing it, you want to do it the same way, right on top. I'm onto the last two rows, and you want to put it close as possible, and then you want to sew it right around. Onto the final row. With this row, you want to sew it close to the closure as much as possible, and you want to sew it flat just like this one. This is it, and you want to cut this part off. I'm going to add a little bit of my foundation, and I'm going to put it on it. You can bleach the knot if you want. I'm gonna try it on and show you. This is the wig. I wore it a few times so I can do a review on it at the same time. And this wig, guys, look at it. It has lots of curls in it. All I put in it, it's some water. You can add some conditioner or some mousse to it if you want. But guys, look at it. Look at the curls. And this is a nice unit. I just add some foundation. I don't want it to be over the top, just a little bit, and I make just a little bit of baby hair, not too much, because I just want it to be simple and nice. And guys, this is it again. I think it's pretty. I really love it, and it's so soft and nice. I wore it about maybe 5 to 7 times now since I came here in Jamaica. And look at it, guys, it still has the curls. You can comb it, you can brush it, or you can finger comb it. Look at the curls on it, guys. Yes. And guys, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed. And guys, this is the unit, and I'll sure to leave the link in the description box of where I got these closure and the bundles to make my wig in the description box. Okay, bye guys.